Hello my dear family members. In this video we will discuss last two coding questions which was asked on 21st September last slot. I hope you have watched the first slot coding questions of 21st September. If not, then link will be given in the description box. Please watch through that and subscribe this channel. Okay, let's see what is the question. So the question is regarding googly prime number. So a googly number is defined as a number that is derived from the sum of its individual digits. For example, if n is equal to 43, the sum of its individual digits is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, making it a googly number, right? Your task is to write a function to determine whether a given positive integer n is googly prime or not. A googly prime is a googly number that is also a prime number, right? Write a function is googly prime that takes an integer n as input and returns true if it is googly prime and false otherwise, right? So here is the input format. So an integer n where n is the number to be checked and output is return true if n is googly prime and false otherwise, right? So for sample input, let's say the number is 34 and their sum of digits is 7, right? So in this case, the output should be true. And let's say for the number 33, so here the sum of digit is 6. So this is not prime. So this will not be true. So this will be false, right? So I hope you got it. So if you got the question, then please start solving by yourself, then come to watch, right? If not possible, right? Okay, let's see what is the solution. So public class main and PHVM, and now just start defining two other function. One will check prime number and another will check the googly prime number, right? So at first let's start with the prime number checking function. Public static boolean is prime. So let's take num as argument and let's initialize a variable int flag is equal to 0, right? And check if num is less than 2. If this happen, then that means this is not a prime number. So in this case we have to update the flag value as 1 or something other. You can give anything, right? Okay, now so if this not happen, that means else run a for loop for int I is equal to 2, I less than num by 2 and I plus plus. Guys, I am doing it very fast. If you face any problem, then let me know. I will explain in the comment section, right? So if num mod 2 is equal to 0, that means the number is not prime, right? So as soon as we get that, we'll update flag is equal to 1 and break the loop, right? So after all iteration done, we will return the flag not equal to 1, right? So I hope you got it, right? So let's just write the actual function, that uh, is googly number, right? So is googly prime. So public static boolean is prime is googly prime. So here we will take int num. So at first we will initialize a variable digit sum as 0, right? So int digit sum is equal to 0. Now we will take another temporary variable to store the num value, otherwise it will be changed, right? Now run a while loop and check if temp greater than 0. Until the temp greater than 0, we will update the value of digit sum, right? So digit sum plus is equal to temp mod 10, right? Sorry, temp mod 10. And to iterate to the all digit, we have to divide that, right? Plus is sorry, by 2 is equal to 10. So out of the for loop, just check if the digit sum is prime and n is not equal to 1. So let's check that, right? So return each prime digit sum and num is equal to 1. Sorry, num not equal to 1, right? So this way we will actually calculate the googly prime number, right? So let's write the main function. So at first let me take the scanner class. Sc is equal to new scanner, sorry, scanner system dot in, and let's just s out, I mean print the function value, right? So is googly prime. So let me show you the number, that is, let's say, sorry. So at first I have to initialize the number, right? So int n is equal to sc dot, sorry, sc dot next int, right? So this will be fine, just put the n here. Okay, let's run the code, then this will be fine, right? Sorry. So the first input is 34, right? So for input 34, what should be the answer? True, right? And for 33, the answer should be false, right? Okay, now let's go to the next problem. But before we proceed to the next problem, I would request you to please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding Accenture on campus coding question, right? And please guys join this channel. Actually, the next problem is regarding palindrome number, right? So it is, I think, 5 to 6 times being repeated. So please start solving the palindrome number as well, as it is being repeated much more, right? So I hope you found this video helpful. So if you want me to upload more videos, then please comment down and make me motivated, right? So thank you for today's session.